In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clean stroke border around an image in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, bring your image into the project. The quickest way is to drag the file from your computer right into the project panel. Once it appears there, click and drag it onto your timeline to place it on a video track. If your timeline is empty, dropping the image will create or match a sequence automatically, and you'll see the image in the program monitor. This gives you a reference while you build the border. Next, create a dedicated shape layer that will act as the stroke. If you don't see the Essential Graphics panel, open it by going to Window, then Essential Graphics. Inside that panel, click New Layer and choose either Rectangle or Ellipse. Most images are rectangular, so rectangle is usually the best choice. A new shape layer appears in both the timeline and the program monitor. With the selection tool, resize the shape by dragging its handles so it neatly frames the edges of your image. Don't worry about the fill color yet, we're about to turn that off. Now let's customize the border so it's a true stroke. In the Essential Graphics panel, look under the Appearance section. Disable Fill so the middle of the shape becomes transparent, then enable Stroke. Pick a color that complements your image, white or black is classic, and set the stroke thickness. Start with a modest width and adjust until it looks right at your current zoom level. Remember that higher resolution sequences might require a thicker stroke to read clearly. With the stroke styled, make sure it sits behind your image so you're seeing just a crisp outline. In the timeline, drag the shape layer below the image layer. The stacking order matters. Anything on a lower track appears behind items on higher tracks. If the border isn't perfectly aligned, select the shape layer and fine-tune its size and position. You can nudge it with the arrow keys for precision, use the on-screen handles to match the image edges, or use the Essential Graphics alignment tools to center things quickly. Zooming in on the program monitor can help you confirm the stroke hugs the image without gaps or overhang. Once everything lines up, you're done. You've created a professional border